Hey friends, in this quick video tutorial for Excel, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates. Now, this is a very simple spreadsheet. It makes things really easy to find duplicates, but sometimes if you have a huge data set, it can make things super complicated. And what I want to do is I just want to find when some of our sales associates have been listed potentially twice on two different lines, and I want to go ahead and delete it if it shows up twice. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to highlight the area that we want it to search through, the cells we want it to search through. Now, in this case, I just want it to look through and find data in this specific column and delete the duplicates. Now, obviously, we have a bunch of different line items that are expanded out over here. And so let me show you kind of what happens. We can have a couple of options. Once we highlight the area that we want it to search through, we're going to come over here and we're going to go to the Data menu tab. So as you can see, I have a bunch of options. Make sure, again, you're clicked on Data. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to click on Remove Duplicates. Now inside here you can see that it has found some duplicates, but it wants to let you know there is some data associated in the rows next to it. And we can either remove those duplicates, so in this case Joe and Sarah would disappear, but their data alongside it would not disappear. So that is this selection down here, continue with current selection. Watch what happens. It's going to do the name column that's found the header right there. Make sure you click on this if you do have a header, and then we're going to click OK. And as you can see, two duplicates were found. It gives you a quick breakdown. So again, in this case, Joe and Sarah down here were removed, but their respective data was not. Now let me reverse that and let's go ahead and see what the other option is. If I click Remove Duplicates, we're going to expand the selection. And again, what it's going to do is it's going to expand out all of the rows that, again, we have selected. And again, it shows you all of the headers, and then we can click OK. Now in this case, nothing is going to be deleted because all of these values are different. So it's assuming that the line is going to remain because it has not been completely duplicated. Now, if we do have something that's totally the same, watch this. If I highlight this, let's do copy, and let's put it down here with Sarah and run the exact same thing. Again, I'll highlight this, remove duplicates, and we'll do this and this. As you can see, 5 duplicate values were found. Click OK, and it removed, again, Sarah's line that was down here. So again, there's a few different options you can play around with. If you just have a single column you want to look through, if you have multiple data, it really does have to be the same all the way across. Excel does make this really powerful though. It's a good tool to have, and hopefully that helps make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned, make a ton of these Excel tutorial videos. Got a bunch more coming up. We will see you again on the next one.